Hello, Christine here at my craft table. Well, really my everything table, which is a mess right now, but I moved everything over so you wouldn't see the mess. So I just wanted to come on today and share a little bit about this scarf I recently finished. It is a pattern by Carmen Heffernan, also known as Annie Design Crochet. She has a lot of great patterns for one skein or for asymmetrical shawls or smaller type shawls, and this is one of them. It was very easy. It's called the Easy Cake Yarn Shawl, and if you follow Judy at Judy's Creations in Crochet, you might have seen this on her slideshow yesterday. I think it was yesterday. As one of the submissions for her monthly make-along. Anyhow, I put it on just for a few minutes to make sure that it is not prickly. I hadn't tried it on yet, and it's not, which I'm very relieved of because I think I'm going to put this on my Etsy shop for sale. And let me show it to you. Now that I have tested it, it is, like I said, an asymmetrical shawl, and I will put up some better pictures at the end of this as well so you can see what it looks like. It is pretty long. It starts very tiny and then just gets bigger. And the cool thing about an asymmetrical shawl is that it doesn't get real bulky on you, so you can wear it as a scarf or a shawl. It is big enough to give you some warmth as a shawl. And this little piece is long enough to throw over your shoulder, and it's not going to come loose very easily because it's so long. And you can put a shawl pin there, of course, to keep it in place, but I'm really happy with this. I used 2 yarns for it. Darn Good yarn, lace weight, 100% recycled silk. That is the colorful element here. Very colorful on its own. It goes through all of these almost fluorescent colors. They're not really fluorescent, but they're on the line there. Pink, darker pink, gray, teal, and a green, couple of variations of green, like a grass green and then a lime green. I'll just show it to you up close there. And then I combined it with a mohair called Kramer Yarns Fountain Hill Brushed Mohair. And that is this beautiful navy blue. The color is called Nautical Lights. So, and it's also very sparkly. I don't know if I'm capturing that here very well, but it is super sparkly in person. It's like a silver metallic thread. And so I tried it on to make sure it wasn't prickly, and it's not. It's very soft, very lightweight. I used a total of 1,214 yards for the entire shawl. And let's see, what else can I tell you? A 4.5 millimeter hook. The measurement is 82 inches from that corner to that corner. And at its widest part, it is 33. So this side is 33 inches at its widest end. Okay. I think, like I said, I enjoyed the pattern. It's an easy pattern. It didn't take me forever. I started it on June 3rd and I finished it on June 20th. So a few weeks, and I've told you before, I don't crochet every day. I don't crochet for hours and hours. So I never add up my actual hours. I guess I should do that. That would be good feedback. but it worked up pretty quickly for me, and I'm not a fast crocheter either. And so, yeah, if you're interested in this, check it out on my Etsy shop. The fiber content is, I can tell you that. Of course, the Darn Good Yarns lace weight is 100% silk. The other yarn, the Kramer yarn, is 80% acrylic, 20% mohair. That's it. And so it's not heavy mohair, but you do have a halo. You do have little pieces sticking up of both the mohair and the sparkly stuff. You can see there. So it's going to be hand wash, lay flat to dry, of course, because it's a finer yarn. It's very colorful and festive. So check it out. Carmen Heffernan, Easy Cake Yarn Shawl. I know a lot of people like this pattern because several people made it for Judy's make-along, and you'll see those in her slideshow if you check that out as well. I'll put a link to it in the description box. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you later.